Introducing the Hammelmann Aqua 20 high pressure jetting trailer, one of the larger mobile water jetting trailer units here at Hydroblast. It delivers top quality performance for all your high pressure water jetting needs. With an operating pressure up to 1400 bar and a flow rate of 78 litres per minute, the Hammelmann Aqua 20 is built for powerful and reliable performance. Equipped with a 200 horsepower Volvo Penta diesel engine and a Hammelmann pump, the machine ensures unmatched efficiency and energy savings on every job. The Aqua 20 is ideal for robotic hydrodemolition, semi-automated applications or remote 3D tank cleaning. It easily removes tough deposits, ensuring surfaces are left clean and ready for the next application. Designed with a sturdy industrial engine and robust chassis, the Hammelmann Aqua 20 is engineered for safe and reliable operations even in the harshest conditions. The high mobility allows you to easily transport and position the Aqua 20 wherever you need it, making it the ideal choice for dynamic and demanding work environments. The unit is controlled with a remote on-off switch, making it easy for whether you're tank cleaning or robotic hydrodemolition. The unit is very versatile. It can also be used for a variety of other semi-automated applications. From industrial plants to construction sites or even marine environments, the Aqua 20's high efficiency, robust construction and energy-saving performance make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking reliable results. Manufactured with top quality components and backed by Hydroblast's expertise, the Hammelmann Aqua 20 is ready to elevate your water jetting capabilities. Contact us to find out more.